Welcome to Parma, a city that teases your taste buds with its culinary delights. Nestled in the heart of Italy's Emilia-Romagna region, Parma is a veritable gastronomic paradise. What makes Parma truly special is its world-renowned food products. Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, a product of meticulous craftsmanship, is often referred to as the king of cheeses. And then there's the prosciutto di Parma, a ham that's been perfected over centuries, offering a taste that's as rich and complex as the city's history itself. But Parma is more than just a food lover's haven. It's a city steeped in history, boasting stunning architectures that stand as testaments to its past. Its vibrant music scene, led by the Teatro Regio, one of Italy's foremost opera houses, adds to the city's charm. Parma, a city that satiates not just your hunger, but also your soul. Get ready to be mesmerized by Tuscany, the birthplace of Italian Renaissance. This region is a treasure trove of artistic heritage nestled in the heart of Italy. Imagine strolling through the enchanting landscapes that inspired the masterpieces of Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci, feeling the brushstrokes of history under your feet. The region's cities are no less intriguing. Florence, often hailed as the Athens of the Middle Ages, is a testament to the grandeur of the Renaissance, with its majestic cathedrals and awe-inspiring art galleries. Siena, on the other hand, is a charming medieval city, famous for its horse races and picturesque squares. And who could forget Pisa, with its iconic leaning tower beckoning visitors from afar? But Tuscany isn't just about art and architecture. It's also a haven for wine enthusiasts, home to some of the world's finest vineyards. So, whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or a wine connoisseur, Tuscany has something for everyone. Tuscany, where every corner narrates a story of art, history, and culture. Step into the surreal beauty of Dolomites and Lake Como, Italy's natural wonders. The Dolomites are a marvel to behold, with their dramatic mountain peaks reaching bravely into the sky. This natural amphitheater is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering thrilling activities like hiking and skiing that allow you to interact with the raw beauty of nature up close. Now, imagine the tranquility of Lake Como, nestled in the foothills of the Alps. Its serene beauty is a soothing balm to the senses. The lake sparkles like a sapphire under the Italian sun, surrounded by quaint villages that add a dash of charm to the picturesque landscape. Here, boating offers a unique perspective to appreciate the stunning surroundings and the opulent villas dotting the shoreline. From the towering Dolomites to the peaceful Lake Como, Italy's natural wonders are a testament to the grandeur of Mother Nature. Dolomites and Lake Como, where nature unfolds its grandeur in the most spectacular way. Experience the timeless charm of Matera, the city of stones, an architectural marvel. Matera is known for its fascinating cave dwellings, carved into the hillside and layered atop one another like a prehistoric skyscraper. But there's more than meets the eye. Delve into its rich history, unraveling tales of resilience and human ingenuity. The city's cultural significance resonates in every stone, every street. Matera, a city that beautifully blends the past with the present. Italy, a country that leaves an indelible mark on every traveler's heart. In this journey, we've savored the gastronomic delights of Parma, marveled at the artistic treasures of Tuscany, reveled in the majestic beauty of the Dolomites and Lake Como, and unearthed the rugged charm of Matesa and Larch. Each destination, a unique story, a distinct flavor. If you enjoyed this journey through Italy, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating travel information. Until next time, keep exploring.